Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about ClarkSwap, a brand new token that has been listed on PancakeSwap just 5 to 6 days ago. So we're going to talk about the features that it really holds, the roadmap, and the token itself, and then jump straight into some more information digging as well as social media. We want to talk about how, this does have a very, very solid outlook. Remember guys, this is a sponsored video, so be a little bit careful before investing. It's only been out 5 to 6 days on PancakeSwap, so it is a higher risk, higher reward situation there. So ClarkSwap, buy, swap, stake, and trade and hold multiple crypto on ClarkSwap app, your secure, dynamic, reliable crypto one-stop app. So if you're looking to jump into obviously swapping, there's a lot that you can actually do with ClarkSwap app. So we talked about how there's a wallet, there's trade, and there's swaps. You can instant swap from one crypto asset to another as need arises or prices shift, trade one crypto to another through a simple interface. And then there's also a perfect secure hot store for multiple crypto assets in their wallet. So if you don't know about ClarkSwap too much, obviously most of you probably would not, as it's just came out. ClarkSwap CLSW is a Binance Smart Chain BSC token that is a utility token on the ClarkSwap app. So key features: 4% fee auto added to the liquidity pool and locked forever when selling, thereby increasing the liquidity pool. 2% fee on every transaction auto distributed to all CLSW holders. They talk more about their tokenomics as well. 35% liquidity, 10% airdrop, 5% marketing and dev, and 50% pre-sale. So that's a massive amount of tokenomics they're jumping into. Roadmap, obviously, we talk about the roadmap quite a lot on these coins because the roadmap really shows whether or not there is a very long-term future on this. So this one looks pretty good. We have a Q1 2021 all the way to a Q1 2022 showing in detail really what they're trying to accomplish, what they're working on in those quarters. And because of that, I'm sure they're going to be adding a little bit more, as right now it's very bare bones. I do think that there is a lot of potential behind this coin. Do remember it's very, very new. So there's a lot still coming out and a lot they're still working on. If we take a look actually at their Telegram as well, I do want you guys to take a look at their Telegram, their Twitter, their website as well before jumping into buying, because there's a lot of research to be digging through. And I do think this has a lot of potential to be, like I said, a high risk, high reward gem. If you go to their Twitter, you can actually see swap, trade, and hold multiple crypto on ClarkSwap app, your secure, dynamic, reliable crypto one-stop app. So they talk more about how they are live on PancakeSwap. So if you guys are looking to PancakeSwap and jump into actually buying it yourself, I will actually let you guys do so in the link provided in the description below. You can jump on here and do so right away. Let's jump back over to the Twitter, though. They talk more about their chart as well. If you want to look into their chart, see where the prices are currently, they do have a chart pinned on their ClarkSwap Twitter. So like I said, check out their ClarkSwap Twitter. They have a BSC scan as well on there. They talk about how it's a BSC gem, which it definitely could be. Do remember that, this could change as time goes on. This could be, jumping from market cap to market cap very quickly. We do see it right now at about 1.5 cents. So we're seeing a fairly good looking price point. If we take a look at the last overview of where ClarkSwap started, we're seeing it, it was at once 5 to 6 cents, I believe. So almost 5 cents. And we saw it dip down quite a bit now to that point. 1.5 cents, and obviously the chart itself is trying to load still, it looks like, but for the most part you're seeing that this is obviously a very, very good buy-in dip if you're looking to get in at a very not slow, but very small price point. Do remember guys as well, the lower price point, the less risk involved, because you can buy at smaller amounts. But do also remember, I'm not a financial advisor, and I'll never give you guys financial advice. So always do your own research before investing. And specifically on, like I said, a sponsored video, I won't be telling you guys to invest at all, and I also won't be giving you guys price predictions. But I just want to say this one looks pretty good. Definitely looking at this chart, it looks fairly decent. And I wanted to take a look closer into the website itself. It gives you guys a pretty simple idea of what they're trying to accomplish with that ClarkSwap.org. So we'll continue to watch on this one. I think there is going to be a lot of potential behind ClarkSwap, and because of that, I think you guys, like I said, should at least follow them on Twitter. Make sure you can find a good buy-in dip if you are looking to buy in on some new high risk, high reward kind of coins. This could definitely be one that will really have that high risk, high reward feature. So we'll continue to watch it. Definitely subscribe to their newsletter as well if you think there's something that may come out that maybe will help you guys make a choice on whether or not to invest. I think there's a lot of information here on the website itself. So go to ClarkSwap.org. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Subscribe to the channel, turn notifications on, and like the video. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys all in the next video.